Hi there, I'm Trevor Greenall from Ink2Scalp. I'm the Operations Manager and Co-Director.
And I'm Yvette Greenall with Ink2Scalp, and I am the lead technician and also co-director.
So for those of you that don't know or are researching or looking into scalp micropigmentation, what is it? Well, it's like a medical grade tattoo where we replicate the realism of follicles to replace the thinning or baldness that a male or female may have.
And how it's done is it's done over a series of 2 to 4 sessions, and each session really serves its purpose. So we have density session, a texture session, a blending session, and then like a final overall. The final result is similar to that of a shaved head.
So what makes Ink2Scalp a little bit different? We appreciate the story, the journey and the history of our clients, what they've struggled with, their challenges, or just wanting to improve their image and their self-confidence. So come and visit. Consults are free. We'll work out pricing, booking processes, along with just hearing kind of what is suitable for your needs with scalp micropigmentation.
They still feel it rough.
I then jump in and I do the artistry side of it. So we sort of talk about what your vision is for your hairline. Do you like it edged up? Do you like it rounded? Do you like it feathered in the front? Something like that. And we really customize it to what you see for yourself. We just want to educate. We want to share. Talk to us so we can answer all your questions. Making a decision that's an educated decision is always the best kind.